Okay, today I want to share how to add a custom header and footer for your Microsoft Excel project. So first I will go here, print preview. So look this is your sheet, Excel sheet. Now click page setup, header and footer. Look this header, there is none, and click here or custom header, write date, seventeenth, 3rd, 23rd. Okay, so look this. Again click this setup, click on footer, page 1 of what, click OK. Now look at the bottom here, page number 1 up to page number 2 up to, this is 2 pages. So this is procedure to include your header and footer for your Microsoft Excel project. And now print preview. Okay, this is okay. So thank you very much.